Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we've got a lot to talk about. We've got new clearance markdowns, a penny list, glitches, plus a sales event going on right now. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have uploaded a few other DG videos that you might want to go and check out. We've got the glitch list, we've got gain deals, tide deals, plus hundreds of surprise penny items out there. So go check it out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, now while we're on the topic of the surprise penny items, I just want to go ahead and point out that all those items did penny out last Friday on February the 9th. And when DG dropped that information, they also dropped new clearance information. And y'all, it is a lot. The reason I'm telling you all this now is because those clearance markdowns actually started on Friday when all those items dropped down to a penny. Now, what's fortunate for me and kind of unfortunate for you all is the fact that I do have a life outside of YouTube. I am a mom, I do have a family, and I have things to take care of. So sometimes when we get a lot of information like this, I just have to kind of sit down and prioritize what is the most important, what's the message that I want to send out to everybody, that way y'all can get in on the best deals. So Friday, I had already uploaded the glitch list. We were going to go over our 5 off 25s as well. And then on Saturday, I dropped the surprise penny video that I had stayed up all night working on. And then yesterday, I had a little bit of car trouble, so that really threw a wrench in my plans on when these videos were supposed to get out to you all, so I do apologize. This is a one-woman show here, and sometimes you just gotta roll with the punches and do the best you can. So I have been working on tons of visuals for you all. We have a lot of categories joining our new clearance markdowns, so y'all should be seeing some visual videos pop up in your feeds this week. Just make sure that you are subscribed and turn on those notifications. Now, let's go ahead and get into these new clearance markdowns. Up first, this is really exciting. We have tons of home decor items going down to 25% off. And this does include the Beehive home decor, Blueprints home decor, Safari home decor, and our Shades of Grey home decor items. And it doesn't stop there, because we finally have our Red Dot home items dropping down to 25% off. Up next, we have our Blue Dot and Gray Dot apparel and accessories going down to 25% off. Now, I'm still working on the Blue Dot visuals, but I have included some Gray Dot visuals. And this category does include our Bobby Brooks and Mission Ridge sweatpants and sweatshirts and jackets. We also have pajama pants. Also have those Sherpa pullovers, as well as tons of hats and gloves. Up next, we have our Red Triangle socks going down to 25% off. Now, here's just a few visuals. Again, I do have tons more to share with you all, but I'm going to put that in a separate video. So make sure that y'all stay tuned. All right, up next, we have our Purple Square gift sets finally dropping down to 25% off. I know that this was frustrating for a lot of us, that these stayed full price with the Christmas clearance markdowns, but now finally the Purple Square gift sets will start to clearance out, and eventually they will be a penny. All right, next up, this one is really exciting. We have our Christmas storage items dropping down to 50% off. So I have included all of the items that are included in this category, along with the UPC and the regular price. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and talk about our penny list for this week at Dollar General, and I will remind you once again, we have hundreds, if not thousands of items that surprise pennied on Friday, so get out there, check your clearance sections, and scan. And I wanted to remind you all, because we just received new digital coupons on our account yesterday. So make sure that you get out there, scan, because this could mean huge overages for you if you're at an old register store. Now, I have been debating on whether or not I should do a second surprise penny visual video, because there's just tons out there. I did go shopping on Saturday and I found a buggy full. So if you guys want an update and more visuals on those surprise pennies, please let me know down in the comment section below. Now, as we all know, Valentine's Day is right around the corner. In fact, it is this Wednesday, February the 14th, so I do want to say happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I hope y'all have a fantastic week. And this means that starting on Thursday, February the 15th, our Valentine's Day balloons will drop down to 1 penny. And with this category, we do have the regular balloons as well as the stick balloons. So y'all be on the lookout for those. And y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I've got more information coming on our other Valentine's Day categories: Valentine's Day candy, apparel, party supplies, and home decor. So y'all make sure that your notifications are turned on and set them to all. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Now up next, we are going to be talking about our Dollar General sales event. These sales did begin on February the 9th and they are going to run through February the 15th. So up first, we have a rug sale going on, buy one, get one half off. This does include the doormats, kitchen mats, decorative rugs, runners, and bath mats. Up next, we have our Blue Dot and Yellow Star toys on sale, buy one, get one 75% off. Next up, we have a home sale. These are all buy one, get one free. It does include the baskets, fabric bins, hampers, and cube storage bins. And then we also have our Brown Dot and Red Dot home items. These are on sale, buy one, get one for free. It does include the bedding, toss pillows, rugs, decor, appliances, kitchen, bath towels, and accessories. So fantastic deals there. Next up, we have a sale on the flowers and accessories. These are going to be buy one, get one free. It does include the stems, gems, vases, and the pre-made flower arrangements. Next up, we have a sock sale. These are going to be buy one, get one free. This sale does include the red triangle socks, which are currently at 25% off, and our gray star socks. All right, guys, now let's switch gears a little bit and take a look at a few glitches. So up first, we have a 2-off-1 for our Tylenol product. This coupon is glitching. It's working only 10 count. Those are priced at $2.65. After the coupon, you're paying just 65 cents. Up next, we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon on our Degree deodorants. This coupon is glitching and working only 1.6 ounce Degree deodorants. Those are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. All right, next up, this is a weird one, but it is working. We received a 1-off-1 DG store coupon for our Rexall vitamins. This coupon is glitching. It is attaching to the Flintstone vitamins that are priced at $5.75. We also have a 2-off-1 manufacturer coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just $2.75, which is a fantastic deal. Now, that is going to be it for me for now, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because you know I've got more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.